Alright guys, this is Jason, creator of IdolCam. Today we got a little treat for you. I'm actually working on this. We have this little Aussie call cam here. I have tested quite a few prototypes, and this one I think is the closest I got so far. It works pretty well. I know it works really well on smooth surfaces, and today I'm testing out on these little rougher surfaces and whether it will still produce good images. So we're gonna test it out and see how it performs. We have wire dampening plate here. Then we got these big tires to absorb some of the bumps, and then we got a nice little suspension system here. Nothing crazy. It's just a standard Aussie car with really nice big wheels, but this guy could go up to 90 kilometers, so it's close to 60 miles. So it's really fast. I turned down the throttle, and I think with the extra weight it probably could top around 50-ish. So it's a really fast car. So I also have another system. This is the IdolCam 4th axis with the heli quadcopter dampening. So if this guy doesn't work on these like rough surfaces, then I will try this next time. This is my next modification. Want to see if this might work better. So I'm gonna do some driving tests. All right.